Okay, so since it is the holiday season, I thought we would do the sexy Santa two-piece costume in the video, but also inspired by the super iconic outfit that was worn in Mean Girls during the talent show. And I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest... my sweater... what is this? I'm like camouflaged. I'm gonna be showing you guys the easiest way to DIY this costume or outfit. In case you guys want to DIY it for the holidays, I don't know where you'd wear it, but in case you do, I'm gonna show you a no-sew method and just the easiest way possible. So let's get the supplies. Okay, so I just got back from Joann's and I thought I'd do a little haul of what I got so you can kind of see what materials I got in case you want to recreate it. The very first thing I actually saw right when I walked in was this fabric, which is so perfect for this DIY. Like, it's exactly what I needed. I got 3 yards of it because we're going to be making the skirt, the crop top, and the Santa hat. So I wanted to make sure I had enough. Also, just a hack for you guys, always download the apps if you're going to craft stores like Michael's or Joann's, because they always have freaking good ass coupons on the apps. This was 60% off. Originally 3 yards would be 30 bucks, but I got it for 12. That's a good deal. Next, I thought I would pick up this ribbon. I was thinking of folding it in half, and this is for the crystal looking belt detailing that she has on her costume that she wore in the music video. And I thought that getting a ribbon that had that kind of crystal-y effect would be so much easier than getting like a piece of fabric and like trying to put like crystals on it. So I opted for this. This was also 60% off. Next, I got these feather boas, and I thought they were gonna be hard to find, but there's a whole section with a bunch of different colors, so I'm so happy I was able to find everything I needed in that one store. And then lastly, since this is a no-sew DIY, a glue gun. Let's go. Okay, so starting with the skirt, I took the fabric that I bought and folded that lengthwise in half, and then I folded it vertically the other way. So you want to fold the fabric twice. And when you fold it twice, you want to make sure that there's 2 folded edges like so touching. Once you have that all folded, lay it down on a flat surface, and then from one corner, create a curve with your scissors, or you can mark it with a pen or marker if you want to do that before you cut it. But basically, you're cutting from the corner where the fold is to the other side where the other fold is, and making sure that the length between the corner and the bottom length that you're cutting is the exact length you want your skirt to be. And to make sure that all the ends of the skirt were completely even, just fold that in half and then continue cutting. Then I just opened the skirt back up so it wasn't folded in half anymore. And then you want to go ahead and cut a curve the same way that you did the bottom, but a smaller one at the top corner. And then if done correctly, it should open up like this, perfectly like a circle skirt shape. And then you just want to turn it back right side out. Honestly, the most fun part about this DIY is gluing on the feather boas, just because when I started to attach the boas, I just felt like the whole look was coming together, and basically you just want to do that along the bottom hem of the skirt all the way around. This next part is actually optional in case you measured incorrectly. My skirt ended up being a little too big for my waist, so I just cut a slit down the center on the back of the skirt and then folded in the hem on the sides, and you'll see that I'll attach Velcro later so that it can fit me perfectly. But next is another fun part, is attaching the crystal ribbon. My favorite detail of this whole entire DIY is this crystal ribbon. I think this ribbon looks exactly like the crystal detailing belt of the original, so I'm really excited that I was able to find one that looked so similar. And then this is the part where I was talking about where I just added Velcro on the side because the skirt was a little too big. So you can also do that if you measured incorrectly, but if you didn't, you can totally skip that part. Moving on to the crop top, which is super easy. Basically, you want to measure the circumference around your bust and then also the length that you want your crop top to be. So from the neckline down to about 3 inches or 2 inches above your belly button, it would be good. And then since the top of the crop top will be covered with the feathered boa, you only have to create a clean hem at the bottom, and I just took some glue and just folded that inward like so. The clean finished hem should look like this. It doesn't have to look too pretty or perfect because it won't be showing on the outside. And then you want to attach some Velcro on the sides of your top so you can attach it and wear it as a tube top. And then lastly for the top, I just attached a strip of the feathered boa to the top. And then here you can see that I kind of get a little bit excited because I can see in the mirror that it's coming all together. And I really like how this DIY turned out. But then lastly, I did the hat, but I lost the footage of the DIY for the hat. So I'll link down the tutorial that I followed to make the hat. It's super easy, literally 2 steps. Okay, so this is how the finished look turned out. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. I actually skipped the straps even though the original has straps because I ran out of fabric. But no one will notice if you have long hair and you just put it down like this. But now I'm going to show you how the full outfit looks, and I think it's so cute. Okay, so this is how it turned out, and I think it looks really cute. And it's actually really easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so DIY'd out right now because I haven't done a fashion DIY in a really long time. But I'm actually really excited with reintroducing more DIYs onto my channel, especially fashion DIYs, because I really love doing them and I used to do it all the time. So thank you guys so much for requesting DIYs, and if you want to see more, definitely subscribe. And yeah, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know to do more of them. And yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!